Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a really awesome mechanical keyboard, and this is a fully mechanical switch keyboard. You can tell by the click. Listen to that smooth clicking operation, and just check out the design of this thing. It's a white platform, solid base, and look at that RGB. And this has really cool see-through characters on the front that allows the light to shine through. Just gives it a crazy, like, cracked crevice look. And your characters are on the front. So you can see right there on the front, there's all the numbers, letters. Really unique design. I love that because I really don't have to reference those, so I don't need them pointing right out at me. And besides, you can see them anyways when you have the keyboard at a slight angle. And this has 3 different ways of connecting. So it's got 2.4 gigahertz, and it has Bluetooth and wired. So you can wire it with USB-C. You can do 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth as well. So really highly versatile. This is your dongle right here. I love how they store it right in the keyboard, but that's your 2.4 gigahertz dongle. Really nice keyboard. This thing is crazy. It also has a bunch of different modes for the lights. You can have all kinds of different effects when it comes to the lights. You can turn them on, turn them off. You can have it do waves. See that waviness? You can have it kind of rotate around. So a lot of different functions when it comes to the light. As you can see, that is cool. That's like a radiant on and off. That's nice. So a bunch of different modes, as you can see. So, oh, this is nice. So when you hit a button, it goes across the side like that. So it'll do the whole line. So a lot of different lighting modes, but just a killer keyboard. Absolutely love it. Great for any gaming station.